Okay, so first problem tayo para sa mga additional problems for Module 3 or under the topic of torsion. So again, before that, let's read first the problem. So the constant wall thickness of a steel tube with a cross-section shown is 2 mm. So given yung thickness niya, which is 2 mm, if a 600 Newton meter torque is applied to the tube, find A, the shear stress in the wall of the tube, and letter B, the angle of twist per meter of length. Use modules of rigidity as 80 gigapascal for steel. Okay, so guys, given in this problem, so given guys yung thickness, so sabi sa problem, so that is 2 mm for the thickness. And as shown in the figure, this is 30 mm. So most probably sa gitna lang din yan. Ano? Ayan. Okay, so the radius is 10 mm, and also given in the problem is the torque applied, which is equivalent to 600 joules or 600 Newton meter. So ano ba ang pinapahanap? So for letter A, we are required to solve for the shear stress in the wall of the tube. Okay. So again, this is under the category of torsion of a tube. So again, we all know that yung ating shear flow, so ilatag muna ulit natin yung mga available equations. So yung shear flow nga natin is equivalent lang yan sa T over 2 times AO, or yung area which is inscribed or enclosed by the center line of the tube. Okay? And knowing that yung shearing stress natin is equals to QT over T. So our equation will be equals to tau is equals to T over 2 AO times the thickness of the tube. Okay, so ang pinapahanap guys is yung shear stress. So substitute lang natin guys. Direct substitution naman siya. So T or yung ating shearing stress is equals to T, which is given sa problem na 600 Newton meter. So naka-Newton mm ang hahabulin nating units. So yung meter, i-convert natin to millimeter. So ito, i-multiply ko ng 1,000. Okay? Para ang sagot natin is Newton per mm squared or megapascal. Over 2. So, alamin natin kung ano yung area na bounded by the center line of the tube. So guys, ito lang yung tube natin. Ayan. So, composite section siya. So, it's a rectangle na binawasan ng semicircle sa magkabilang gilid. So, to solve for A sub O, A sub O is simply equals lang sa area ng rectangle. Okay, itong malaking rectangle na to. And then minus yung area, or gagawin ko na lang na 2 times area ng semicircle. So, ginawa ko na lang siyang times 2 kasi ito, semicircle to. And then ito, semicircle. So, pag binuo, circle lang siya. Okay? So, para makuha natin yung etong region na to. So, kung gagawin mo kasi ng center line yan, ayan. Ang tinutukoy dito na area bounded by the center line is yun nasa loob ng dash line na yan, or etong section na to. Itong area na yan. Okay? Ayan. So, that will be equals lang. So, this is 30. Yung base niya na 30 multiply by the height. So, ano yung magiging height niya? So, if this is 10, this is 10. So, that is 20. Okay lang? And then minus 2 times yung area ng semicircle. Or pwede kong gawin, area na lang ng circle. So, 2 times pi. So, radius na 10 pi r squared, diba? Over 2 kasi semicircle. And then, minultiply ko ng 2. Kasi nga, semicircle, semicircle. So, ang nangyari sa kanya, di ba, pi r squared? Or area lang talaga ng ano siya, circle. So, sige, pindutin natin guys ito sa calculator. So, that is 30 times 20 and then minus pi times 10 squared. So, 285.8407. 285.8407. This is in millimeter squared. Tama? Okay. So, ayan. Salpak lang natin dito. 285.8407 and then multiply by the thickness of the tube, which is equals to 2 mm. Ayan. So, what will be the shearing stress inside the tube or in the wall of the tube? So, that is 600 times 100, 1,000, then divided by the answer, yung ating area, and then divided by 2, and then divided by 2 for the thickness. Okay, so the answer for that is 524.7678. 7678 mega pascal or Newton per mm squared. Okay, so next, ano pa bang hinahanap dito? So, find the angle of twist per meter of length. So, para doon sa angle of twist, so for letter B, hinahanap is yung angle of twist. So, again, we all know that yung formula for theta, based do sa lecture natin, so, yung theta mo is equals lang sa, ayan. So, since uniform naman yung thickness niya, kung mapapansin nyo, thickness niya all throughout do sa section natin is 2 mm. So 2 mm to, 2 mm to. So, wala namang magiging problema. Therefore, ang pwede natin gamitin formula is itong derived formula na. Okay? With constant thickness. So, that is TLS TLS all over 4G AO squared T. So 4G A sub O squared times T. Where again, yung S nga natin, so ito yung length of the center line or yung median line. Yung kabuuang length nitong linyang ito. Ano? So, siguro i-highlight na lang natin para mas makita. Itong naka-dash line, ano? Hahanapin natin yung buong haba niyan. Or that is, again, the length of the median line. Okay, so to solve for S, siguro solve muna nga ulit natin yung S bago natin isalpak sa formula. So, yung length ng median line is equals, so di ba ito 30, tapos itong taas 30. So, 2 times 30 or dalawa nung base nung iyong steel tube. And then plus 2 times ito. Diba? Or that is just the circumference, kalahati ng circumference. But pag pinagdugsong mo siya, diba, circle din naman yan. Pero ang gawin natin, semicircle na lang. Ano? So, ano ang area for, formula for the circumference of a circle? Diba, that is equals to 2 pi r. Since iisa naman yan, or kalahati lang, so i-divide mo ng 2, so that will be pi r. Pero anyway, magiging circumference lang siya. Kasi ang kaalabasan nito is 2 pi r pa din. Tig kalahati. Kapag pinagdugsong mo to, so that is equivalent to a circle. So 2 pi r. So pi times 10. Okay, so i-ano lang natin sa ALQ. So yung unang sagot kanina is 285.8407. So, store ko to guys sa alpha. Okay? And then yung isa, 2 times 30 plus 2 times 10 times pi. So, that is 122.8319. So, that is in mm. So, ito, itatago natin sa beta. So this is alpha. Ayan. So para ano na lang, mas madaling pindutin. Check ko lang ulit if natago ko sa A. Alright. So now, I think pwede na natin siyang isalpak dito. So direct substitution na siya. So again, ang given ng iyong torque, which is equals to 600. Again, naka-Newton meter yan. So multiply ko ng 1,000 para yung meter ma-convert mo to mm. Tapos yung length, may binigay ba length? Steel tube? Sorry. The angle of twist per meter of length. So, ang hinahanap pala dito guys is theta over L. Per meter length eh. So, i-divide na lang natin ito. So, ito mawawala to sa equation. Where's the eraser? So, yan pala. Okay. So, S, again, so that is beta. So, isalpa ko na lang dito. Over 4 times G. Where G is in gigapascal, i-convert ko siya to megapascal or Newton per mm squared. So, magiging 80 times 10 to the 3 or times 1,000. Yung A sub O mo, so ito yung alpha natin, kaso nga, naka-squared siya. So, alpha squared. And then times T, so multiply by 2. So, we will have here an answer of, pero ilalatag ko muna guys yung unit ha. So, ito guys is Newton mm. Tapos yung S, so that is in mm. Etong isa, Newton per millimeter squared. Okay? And then itong area, so magiging ano to? mm raised to 4. And then yung thickness, so that is in mm. So ito magiging Newton meter squared. So ang unit or ang unit na nangyari sa kanya is per millimeter. So ang pinapahanap is per meter of length. Okay? Ayan na. The reason why kung ba't siya naging mm, kasi ito cancel na. Ayan. Diba meter squared? Ito matitira mm squared kasi maa-cancel ng millimeter squared. Meron ka sa taas na millimeter squared. So, cancel. So, natira sa baba is mm and then yung Newton maa-cancel din. So, ang unit na lalabas dito guys is rad o radian per mm. Siguro ang kunin nating final answer is in terms of degrees per meter. Okay? Kasi yung angle of twist per meter of length. So, it's a matter of conversion lang naman. So, mamaya, pindutin natin. So, guys, that will be 600 times 1,000 times yung beta natin. Then, divided by 4 divided by 80 times 10 to the 3 divided by alpha squared and then divided by 2. Okay, so the answer here is 1.4094. 1.4094 times 10 to the negative 3. Okay? So, kaso nga lang, ang unit na papalabasin natin is in terms of degrees per meter. So, we all know that in 1,000 mm, there is 1 meter. And para makuha yung degrees, so di ba alam natin na 180 degrees is 2 pi rad. Okay, so cancel lang to. Ayan. So, matitira nating unit is in terms of degrees per meter. Degrees per meter. So, cancel to. Matitira nga is per meter. Okay, so multiply lang natin siya ng 1,000. And then times 180. And then divided by pi. So the answer is 80.7526. 7526 degrees per mm. Degrees per meter. Okay, so guys, this is the answer for So, kunin na lang natin tong 1. Baka kasi mali to. This is for number 2. Okay, so again, this is the answer for 1. And then ito will be the answer for number 2. Okay, so again, I'll give you 3 minutes to copy the solution. So you may start copying. Okay guys, so let's proceed with the next problem.